So you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, but you don't necessarily feel comfortable being on camera. Hey, it's Arit here from Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. And in this video, I'm going to answer this question for you, but there's a couple things that you need to keep in mind. So, do you need to be on camera to start a YouTube channel? Will you be successful? Can you create a successful YouTube channel without being on camera? So here's the answer. You don't need to be on camera to start a channel. And in fact, there are a lot of channels out there that have seen massive success, millions of subscribers and views without the person actually being on camera. There's many ways that you could do this in terms of the format of your videos. For example, you can create animated videos, you can do PowerPoint slides and voiceovers over top, you can do screen recordings, you can just film your hands. I'm sure you've seen that on a lot of product review channels where you're just doing unboxings and showing the person's hands. You could even do a channel where you're interviewing other people and the focus is on them. So you're showing their face, but whoever's asking the questions, namely you, would not be on camera. I mean, there's a ton of other examples that I could give you, but what you need to keep in mind is, are you going to be a personality channel? Are you the actual product that you want to sell to people? For example, if you're a coach and you want more people to work with you one-on-one, that's how you get your clients, that's how you grow your business. It's gonna be quite an advantage for you to be in your videos so that people can get to know you and the way that you explain things, and there's a face to a name, because that's ultimately who they're gonna be working with. And so if the viewer can already see themselves working with you, they're already kind of getting a sample of what it's like for you to coach them. If you want to create an entire brand around your personality, again, it's going to be in your advantage to be on camera, because you got to think about it. There's a lot of other people out there that are in your niche, right? They're, whatever topic it is that you're talking about, someone's most likely already talking about it, but they're talking about it in a different way. The visuals on the video are different. And so you being on camera is already going to give you a competitive edge because you are different from everyone, right? There's no other person like you. So if you're not going to be on camera, what you need to do is work harder to make sure that the content itself on screen is highly engaging. It could take a little bit more time for you to build up those skills, because it might, take, for example, more video editing skills. You need to source different pieces of footage, and all of these things might factor into you being able to get the video out faster and stay consistent with that content. So my advice to you would be to choose the format that will allow you to stay consistent with releasing videos. If you're very much against being on camera, and for you it's much easier to create the videos without you being on camera, go with that. But also keep in mind that at the end of the day, whether you're on camera, whether you're off camera, it just comes back down to, is the content engaging? Is it what your audience wants and likes? All of these things, your comfort level on camera, your goal, whether it's to create a personality channel or a brand around you, as well as your ability to create engaging content, factor into this decision. If you're planning on creating an educational channel, then we do have a course that shows you how to turn viewers into clients and customers. In this course, we dive into detail about what types of videos that you can create, what to say in the videos, how to stay consistent with the videos, how to get traffic to the videos. So if that sounds helpful for you, hit the link in the description below. The course is called The Profitable Channel, and you could check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.